Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks General and Electrical Aspects. This is Lakshmipati. So today we came up with a good topic, BEE, Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I'm going to discuss this syllabus related in my this session. So why I am going to explain these sessions is in today's world we already seen that in last video itself electricity became a most important part, essential aspect. We can't live without electricity, but how much we know about electricity, that much important aspect, we are very easily using it, but we are not aware of so many things. So here I am trying to make a little bit more awareness about electrical things, so that whenever we are using any electrical device or anything, or if you have any problems in your house, how you can configure yourself. So those stuff, yeah, you can get it. So regularly follow my videos, do watch it, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the videos. Yeah, there are so many things in house. For example, when mixie or grinder repairs, what you will do? You are going to someone, you are not checking anything. When TV repairs, yeah, you are going to someone, you are not checking. When ceiling fan repairs, you are going to someone. For example, simply when fuse blows off in your house, what you are doing? You are simply calling to your electrical people for not doing. Yeah, there is one good saying also. Electrical engineer is today's electrical engineers may not able to replace the fuse in their houses also. Yeah, like that one saying is it. I'm not saying about everybody, but this is a general saying. Yeah, so these things are there. So we should be very much clear, at least on basic aspects, minimum things, few things about each and every item. What is surrounded by us. So it will make our life more easy, more more enjoyable. We can say it will be thrilling to know everything. So what I'm doing is, it's a very difficult. If I say Einstein rules or Edison how he invented bulb, I'm not going to that much deep. That's not required also. If anybody is interested, you can comment me. I'm ready to make those videos also. Yeah, that is sure. General aspects we are going to discuss. So I in my next slide I mentioned syllabus. What topics we are going to discuss through this channel for basic electrical and electronics engineering. Yeah, there are so many minimum things. For example, for getting motion, we are using motors. There are different types of motors: DC motors, AC motors, synchronous motors, servo motors. There are so many motors. For example, if you take any kid's toy, you will find small motor. If you find your watch, you will find small motor. If you find your wall clock, you will find small motor. Everywhere principle is always similar. They are generating motion by using maybe battery, means some chemical energy or electrical energy, or if it is connected to our socket through electrical energy, something like that. Some will operate through DC if it is stored electricity, some will operate through AC if it is connected through our sockets. So like this, everywhere motors are there, in mixie, in ceiling fan. Everything is a small motor, a piece of motor. It may be small single phase motor, for example, for sending your water from your sump to your tank, or bringing water from very low level through bore well to top level. Yeah, in lift, many people might have lift. How we are using motors there. So most of the motion related things are there. One good thing I can say is electricity we can't eat. we can't use it directly. It can be used in all other alternate forms only. We should feel the light, we can feel the fan air, uh, we can feel the other sounds or musics related. Hmm? Like this, we can only feel the things with respect to electricity, but not we can directly consume it like water. Huh? Yeah, there are many different things which I'm going to discuss in my subsequent videos also. Yeah, I'm just going through the syllabus which I am considering. Yeah, this is very basic level. This syllabus is mostly considered for graduate engineers in first year of their course. Whoever the engineer, doesn't matter, maybe civil or mechanical or everybody, all streams of engineering students are undergoing this BWE, but they are thinking like it like a one subject, but it's not like that. For example, computer engineer also needs some power for how to operate its computer and all. He is just plugging the socket into socket and he is using it. That's it. He don't know many things about it, but it's better to know more things so that you will feel very good. A wow feeling will be there at the end of the day. Yeah. So here is the syllabus: basic electrical and electronics engineering. We will simply say BWE. Yeah, I divided it into some 8 different units. At the end, I mentioned few textbooks. So this will be useful for graduate engineers also for their course curriculum. Just few things I am discussing. For example, basics of electricity: current, voltage, power factors, capacitor, resistor, inductor. These things you can see it here. Yeah, this is DC machines. How DC machines work? What is EMF? DC motor, torque in DC motors, efficiency, characteristics. I am discussing about theoretical aspects only. I am not going to any derivations or any formulas like that. Most very small. If any formulas are required just for explaining the operation, maybe one or two very simple formulas I may be using. This is about transformers, working principle, construction of single phase transformer, transformer ratio, EMF, losses, cooling of transformers, isolation transformer, auto transformer. Yeah, these are all we are using regularly in our day-to-day tasks. For example, these transformers we are using in our mobile chargers are very small. I think nowadays it's coming with electronic regulators like that. But yes, very small transformers will be there. Yeah. So this is a induction motor. It will be a rotating magnetic field. A single phase induction motor. It just torque related. Synchronous machines, alternator, generator. Most of the electricity generated through in today's world is through the synchronous machines only. But that we will say like alternator, or lay people, general man will say like generator. Yeah, illumination. In our today daily houses we will have lights and all, but we will simply go to shop, we will purchase one light and we will come back. We don't know whether it is sufficient or not. Sometimes it may be very bright, sometimes it may be very low. Yeah, I'm going to discuss some how to select some lamps and all, electrical safety, how we can be very much safety with respect to MCBs, sockets, switches and all. What are the preventive measures, earthing and all I am going to discuss. These are batteries. If you have any power backup in your house, you might be having batteries. We will discuss about that. It will give some good understanding to you. This is our semiconductor physics. It means most of our electronic related aspects we are going to discuss it here. A few electronic items, it's very good to know. There are some digital electronics. Most of the things nowadays it's becoming digital, so it's better to know little bit stuff, so that at least whenever your children is going to school or college, whenever they are doing any lab experiments and all, or whenever they are asking you for money, Papa, I want to purchase a flip flop, I need 500 rupees. Then you can say, why it is 500? It is only 200. Yeah, it is 1000 rupees. Yeah, you go and purchase. Like at least you have some understanding, so that you can be more knowledgeable in today's world. Yeah, these are some operational amplifier. This is for ICs. Yeah, so here is the textbook list. BL Teresa, AK Teresa, it is the basic book in electricals. Many people will know. Remaining are like yeah, there may be some bigger books also, but yes, what is required, if you have interest, you can go through everything. Otherwise, whatever I'm explaining, that's enough. Yeah, this is about syllabus, guys. Every day, not like every day, oftenly I will choose every topic, if possible entire unit, otherwise half of the unit, otherwise one or two just words of this topic I'm going to discuss in my future videos. This is the syllabus, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected for future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.